Hello, guys, and welcome to 7 Minutes Simplified with Eatora. In this YouTube series, I'll be taking complex topics from design, video editing, and tech, and I'll be breaking them down for you guys to understand easily. Basically, that's the whole idea, right? And yes, I'm going to stick to my 7 minutes as mentioned. Okay, but then before we start the clock, today we're talking about using AI without losing your soul. And by without losing your soul, I mean without losing your creative spark. Okay. And so before we continue, let me just set the timer rolling so I can stick to my 7 minutes. All right. So I managed to break down everything into 5 simple steps. All right. I'll be talking with 5 simple points for you guys to understand, right? The first one is that use AI to assist, not to create everything. Okay. Since the outbreak of AI, right, one thing that is very, very difficult to not do is to use AI for everything. It seems as though AI is more like a drug or something like that. You see, the whole idea of using drugs is to cure a particular illness. But then if you overdose yourself, that's when it becomes detrimental to you. So yes, AI works. It makes our work as designers easy, very, very easy and fast. But then most times you are tempted to use AI for everything. We are tempted to use the AI for even the entire design, or use the AI to generate the entire script. You use AI to generate a mockup or something, which is good. It works. But then don't use AI to create everything. Let AI assist you instead. All right. And then the core idea is that the direction should come from you. AI is more like an assistant to you as a designer or as a creative, right? You should direct AI. But then in most cases, it's like AI rather directs designers or creatives as to how they should achieve something. And so you don't let your calculator write the math exam. You use the calculator to write the math exam. That's point one. Point two, customize everything you get from AI. And this is one thing that is really, really helpful, especially if you are a student. Okay. I mean, there are AI tools out there that is used to determine if an exam or a test was written with an AI tool, right? And the best way to evade that AI test thing is for you to customize whatever you got from AI. Yeah, back in school, I mean, I was using chat a lot for my projects and stuff. But then what helped me is that I knew how to rephrase everything, customize everything to sound like I would sound. You get it? So the whole idea is that when you're using AI for something, it shouldn't feel generic, all right? Unless it won't feel generic unless you remix it. You get it? So for instance, you are working on a design and then you need some stock images for that particular design. Instead of, let's say, you going online, maybe you are scouting for some pictures or images, you can't find them. I'm 4 minutes in. Maybe you are scouting for some images, you can't find them. You can use AI to generate those images, bring them into Photoshop, add some touches to the lighting, and arrange them in a particular way, the layout and stuff. You can even change the color, just so the color can fit the mood of your design. If the color of the image you are using is red, and then the theme or the color theme of your design is blue, you can as well use some, color match something, or change, change the color to fit your design. All right. And then use AI as a starter, not a finisher. That's the finalized for point two. Point three, don't let AI replace your thinking process. This is almost the same as the first point I mentioned. You see, most people have been left to be almost dumped because they think AI will do everything for them. Most designers or creators out there are now depending solely on AI to do everything, to generate the scripts for them, to generate their thumbnails, to generate their hooks for their videos, to generate their mockups, which is not an ideal thing to do. All right, you shouldn't let AI replace your thinking process. You are supposed to think and help and use whatever idea that you get to, you know, input that into that AI tool, and then that AI tool is going to refine it and bring it back better. But then if you decide not to think, it's as though you multiplying 0 by 100. I'm still going to get zero. I mean, yeah, but I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Then the fourth point is inject human context AI will never know. What I mean is that AI doesn't know your culture, your emotion, mood, or your market audience. So whenever you are conversing with AI about something, try to use a particular mode, a particular culture that AI isn't going to understand. That is related to humans, right? For me personally, whenever I'm using ChatGPT to generate, ideas for my videos, like for instance, this video, just this morning, I just went to ChatGPT and I was like, Chat, I have this content idea, and then I just pitched the idea to Chat, and the Chat was like, do it this way, A, B, C, D. Chat even, you know, generated a script for me. But then, as you can see, I'm not recording this with any script. I just have my bullet points here, and then I'm talking straight into the camera, and that is what builds that organic feeling. Um, you get what I'm trying to say. My time is almost up, so let me wrap it up. Then the fifth point is let AI boost your speed, not steal your style. One thing I've noticed is that whenever I see captions, most especially captions on the internet, whether Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and it's from AI, because I use AI, it is easy for me to identify. Right? It is very, very easy. So I see most times I scroll on Instagram and stuff. I see captions made with AI. A lot of captions I see on Instagram were generated with AI. How am I able to identify them? Because they just copy and paste, and then it's just obvious. So don't let AI steal your style. Have a particular style. If your style is, I don't know, if you have a particular style, use AI to boost that style. But then if AI comes in and then your style changes, then you know that you're not doing something right. It's not helping. You get what I'm trying to say? So when your unique creative fingerprint fits, your brand becomes replaceable. If everyone or every designer out there is using I don't think your customer or your client would have any reason to come to you. All right. So yeah, so the 5 points I mentioned are: one, assist, don't outsource; two, remix what it gives you; three, keep asking why; four, add your lived experience or your personal touch, your personal experience; then five, protect your style. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful to you guys. This is a 7 minutes simplified with the author. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share your favorite part of this video in the comment section as well. I'll see you in the second episode of this series. Peace.